Hey, my name is Connor Johnson, and this is Kicking It with Connor, a new web series here that's going to go through the world of engineering here at Trine. Today we're going to get a brief overview of the laboratory Bock. Alright, so we're inside Bock Laboratory here. We have two main laboratories in this building, the metallurgy laboratory over on the left. We're going to get a brief overview. So within this series, we're going to get a more specific, in-depth look at every piece of machinery in all of our laboratories here. So here in the laboratory section, we have a lot more high temperature equipment, plasma table, laser table, sandblaster, shot machine, a full forge over the section, for aluminum, tin, iron, not steel, because it violently explodes. All kinds of sand casting, investment casting, and these are all things that we'll get a more in-depth look at as we go throughout this series. Now we're going to head across the hallway to our plastic manufacturing process laboratory. So where that half of Bock is more metal, this is more plastic. We have additive manufacturing, rotomolding, injection molding, back molding, flow molding, extrusion, right? So as we go throughout this series, we're going to get an in-depth look at every machinery one day at a time. Alright, thanks for tuning in to Kicking It with Connor here for the first episode. I'm excited about this new series, and I hope you look forward to tuning into a new episode every week. Next week, we're going to be getting a brief overview of the SDC, or Student Design Center. That's our other half of the laboratory here. So I hope to see you then.